doesn't mean you bet I felt it. Tried to reach you, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks, and now I'm trying to get back. Before that coupe don't run out, I'll be giving it my best. There's nothing gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some more, learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Hey, hey. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and then you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family. It's our guidance and it right to be love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate our time. It's short, this is our faith. I'm yours. Do you want to come on in? Scooch on over closer to you. From here. I've been spending way too long checking my song in the mirror and bending over backward just to try to see it clearer. But my breath fogged up the glass, so I drew a new face and I laughed. I guess what I've been saying is there ain't no better reason to rid yourself of vanities and just go in the seasons. It's what we hate to do. Our name is our virtue, and I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and then you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find that the sky's yours. So please don't, please don't, please don't. There's no need to complicate things. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. I will always be yours. Oh, here we go. Let's all take another deep breath together.